to get this panel off. I'm not sure how we're gonna go about this, but yeah, maybe just watch. So these are the holes where everything goes in, and I haven't thought this through. Yeah, I gotta put the things in before I glue it. Lord, I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so there's 2 pieces. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Does that go like, or does it go all the way through? I actually don't know. Am I doing this wrong? Probably. Oh, well that seems like it'd be a much stronger fit, and then they go like that? It's gotta be that way. Have you guys ever done this? Did you just like figure it out like it was common sense? Because it kind of is common sense. Like it seems like it's common sense, but also I'm not sure. This could actually take a whole lot more time than I'd bargained for. I've got to be honest, I don't know if I have time to do this today. I've got to take this Beetle to my grandma tomorrow. Ah! That's gonna bleed. Ow! No! I just ripped both of those out? Are you serious? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm bleeding and I only have one in now. Okay. Oh, did it go? No, kind of. Ah! No, please don't bleed. Don't bleed. At least everything in this car is red or black. It's perfect for bloody messes. Oh, look! Oh, well, yeah, I guess there had to be some in here. Or it wouldn't have been on here. I don't know why I was like so surprised to see that, yeah, I don't know. How do you put the back on? Do I have to reach down in that hole? Is that how this works? Oh, look, there's all the old ones. Hey, they're using this to hold this down. Should I have done that? Oh my God, I think I should have done that. So, I guess since I'm busy doing this and you guys are just watching the chaos of it all, go ahead and just take a moment to like this video, subscribe if you want, and share it with a friend, you know? Just say, here, watch this. I don't know why. Because I think that a lot of people, I've learned this from YouTube, people enjoy watching other people struggle and fail. That's a fact. I'm not saying that I'm like that. I don't understand that. That's the world that we live in. So, you want to watch somebody struggle, bleed all over their red vehicle? Oh, I learned something. The guys were telling me that if you're not cussing at it, you're not gonna get it done. Like, that's why they yell and cuss when they work, is because that's what makes it work. And you know what? Last time I tried that theory, they were totally right. They were 100% right. Like, I started cussing and it was like, the thing just went. Ow, fuck me. Get there. Ow! Oh, wow. It's failing. It's failing. I don't have clamps. I need staples. I'm
just trying to help.
What did you just say? What did you just say to me?
What if you take off all the little things and we get a flat piece
What if
of
I
wood
take off all the little things?
and then put a flat
Me
piece of
and
wood
everybody
and
watching right now knows the hell I just went through to put those little things on there. No, we're not taking them off.
You got practice.
No, we're not taking them off. No.
The problem is I don't think none of this is going to work.
What do you mean work?
Because
Define work.
I don't think you're going to be able to successfully keep the leather behind the cardboard by using those clips, because you have to move those clips to line up with the holes in the door.
But that's how they did it back in 1975.
Never mind.
Sprechen the Deutsch.
I don't know. I just don't know.
They spoke a lot of German doing it, so they probably pressed it into place. The chip clip. Keep it down. Hold on, I got a pair of mechanical fingers.
What?
Called pliers.
Ah.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, I just gotta bump the thing up like that. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Heck yeah.
Mechanical fingers. What is
Right?
that?
They're the backs.
Oh, they go in these holes.
Yeah. And then how do you put the fucking back on? You got...
I think you put these in the hole. So.
Oh my gosh, you're right. You're right.
Wallace and Gromit.
I thought these had to go through the hole and then the back went in. And I was like, what the hell kind
Have you ever
of...
been to an Oktoberfest?
Yes.
Them people's arms is way too chunky to fit in that shit.
Don't.
I'm good at destroying shit.
Good, good, good.
Just so y'all know. Anything broke.
Mom was trying to get us a bunch of boat food up, Jess.
Bow food. Your mom's making us bow food?
But I don't think she realizes that boat's got a full galley.
What do they envision when we tell them that we have a sailboat?
I think she envisions like a 22-foot hunter with no stove.
Like my old 25-foot McGregor or
Yeah.
something? That's, yeah. All right.
One of them racing boats. Everybody lives on the deck.
I don't think she thinks there's much of it.
Does it fit? What the fuck?
Now you gotta move these around.
Oh no, it's like nothing fits. The holes don't, none of it lines up. I don't understand any of it. It's like missing a couple.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Bang. Your corner
Yeah,
is like limp.
limp.
But-
We were supposed to have put that inside.
Oh shit.
Wait, oh wait, we can just like pull it.
Maybe.
I don't know. You're good with this stuff.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You did that other piece.
I tore that shit.
Well, it was already freaking weird.
It's the people's
It
car.
it looked it looked like that before.
Was this a East German built car
I don't know.
or a West German built car?
Do we know that answer?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Where's Hopalong at? Where's Cassidy?
Cassidy.
Did you move it?
No,
Where's your
he's
hair
under
at?
my hair. Dead frog. Oh, he's there.
Oh man.
This one has no hole. That one, there's a hole, but there's no clip. This one is the... Okay, so this clip actually should come out because there's a clip and there's no hole, like at all. So it's going to cause a problem.
Yeah.
And there's two holes where there's like no clip. That one needs to pop. That might be all of them.
Did you like the whacker packer
What did you whack? How'd you whack?
with the metal part?
Klein. It's Klein. Nice.
Ha! German name tools on a German name car.
This is the only one that's wonky and like it's not
Lined up.
It's not lined up. I think we squished it. Hal started squishing things.
Hey, you got the mechanical finger. That's skinnier than mine.
This is skinnier. Ooh. That might be good. Ooh. Well, as long as it's gone away. Where's the Klein banger?
There's more weight on the other end. Hey, you want to go caveman on it?
Sure. Bring me a rock. Woo. So that's where it goes. It just goes like that.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is for.
Probably to put your insurance papers in and stuff.
Oh my God, you're right. Like
Credentials?
it holds things like this.
Because you had to cross a lot of borders in Europe. They
Right.
wanna see
You stick your
Your
passport.
passport in there. They will say,
The mail.
see your papers, please. You see your papers.
Did you see this? Look how bad that one looked, and the new one is so
That was
shiny.
cool. You should use that in the house somewhere. A dish towel rack.
Hey, you're right. That's cool, actually.
It is.
Spray paint it.
Pull up. Up.
Yeah.
Trying to straighten it out. Was it supposed to be curved? Because it kind of come out. Hey, your washer don't fit your dryer here. These flat washing machines do not fit your bolts. If you bought this and it came from Detroit, this would be like a $1,000 lock washer because it'd be a Detroit locker. Have y'all ever asked the people at That firehouse where they get their steamers? Because I've always wondered if they were made in Cleveland.
These are bent to no end.
Bent to no end. There's an end.
This
end, that end.
I don't know how to fix them.
We need to take these screws out.
I think you need some more zip ties.
And then
That was holding it great.